Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be dropping another manifestation method. My last video, which was on visualization, got some good views, so I'm very motivated to make another manifestation video. And the topic of today's video is mirror manifestation. Let's go ahead. Do you have a mirror at your home? Now you would be like, what does this question mean? Everyone has a mirror on their home. Yeah, so utilize it. Whether you want to manifest money, college friends, phone, laptop, anything, you just have to do this one method, and yeah, it will definitely work because it has always worked in my case. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead. Now what you are supposed to do, let me tell you. First of all, when you are manifesting using this method, you should not have anyone around you. Go in a silent room where there are no people, because when you will be manifesting, you will have to be in that energy where you can manifest, right? So there shouldn't be any people to distract you. So it would be better if there is no distraction and no one is there in that room. Okay, now you're alone in that room and you are standing in front of that mirror. First of all, bring yourself in the position to manifest. What do I mean by this? You know, your energy should be very balanced when you're manifesting. When you're not in a very good energy, when you're feeling very tired and hopeless, and also how can you manifest when you're not in good energy? Everything is energy around us. I am energy, you are energy, everything is energy. The food we eat is energy. Okay, so what you should do now? You should balance yourself out. Stand in front of the mirror, meditate, breathe, take deep breaths, meditate. Balance yourself out. Make your mind in that position. Bring your mind in that position where you can manifest easily. Okay, now you have done that. What you should do next? Take that intention in your mind. If you are manifesting a call from a specific individual, if you want your person to call you, text you because you are in no contact, so what you should do? Think about that situation. Have that intention in your mind that you want XYZ person to call or text you. Okay. When you have meditated for 1 or 2 minutes, now for the next 1 or 2 minutes, you should visualize that situation that that person has texted you and you are replying to that messages. Okay? When you have done that, made that clear intention in your mind that what exactly you want, what exact message do you want, how it should pop out on the screen, तुम्हारा ringtone क्या बजेगा, call आए तो, and everything. When you have a very clear intention, now you have to say those affirmation out loud while looking in the mirror. XYZ person is texting me. XYZ person said hi to me, or whatever message that you have in your mind. If you are expecting an apology from someone, XYZ person apologized to me. He texted me that this you, and you matter to me, or whatever message that you have just repeated out loud in the mirror. That I am blessed. I am a powerful manifester. You can add this affirmation to every manifestation you do. Because when you believe that you are a powerful manifester, believe is very important. When you believe that you are a powerful manifester, obviously you can manifest anything that you want in your life. For example, if you are manifesting money now, so you will say, I've received $500 in my account. The affirmation is related to your work. If it is related to money, so speak about the how many dollars they are, from which source you have got it. If you want a promotion in job, or if you want a job, if you want a dream college or anything, so I've got this college and I enjoy and I'm capable of doing this, loved and all that. I am capable, I deserve this, I am powerful. Affirmations for yourself. Okay? If you don't have a particular manifestation in your mind also, I don't want to manifest anything in my life, I have everything. Okay? If you have that also, but still you can go in front of the mirror and talk about yourself that you are so great. Give appreciation to your own self. Okay, appreciate your own self so that you can take out more from your own self. Okay, so yeah, you can do that, and when you have done that, with a cute, bright, great smile, just let it go and then continue with your daily work. And that's it for today's video, guys. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.